Hello, I'm Valentin Troll. I'm Professor of Petrology here at Uppsala University, and I specialize on volcanoes and volcanic risks. Today I'd like to talk very briefly about Merapi volcano, which is a big volcano in the center of Java, and it killed over 1,500 people in the last 100 years. So this is Merapi volcano on a quiet day. A lot of people live there because the area is very fertile, and this is the peak of the volcano at 3,000 meters. But every now and then the volcano erupts all of a sudden out of the blue, and it's very devastating. Here's the village of Kali Atem that got destroyed in 2006, and here's several buildings that were affected by eruptions and earthquakes, and we are still not sure how it works. If we look at the volcano erupting, it comes with these really strong explosions. Here we have a pyroclastic flow, a glowing avalanche that travels down the volcano at high speed, high temperature, and it means that the volcano cannot contain the magma, and all of a sudden we get these explosions. To better understand that, we went all the way up here on the volcano and sampled rock there, and we found something really intriguing. Let me show you the rocks. So here is rock material from the peak of Merapi volcano, and this is very solid rock. It's a gray andesite rock, as we call it, and it's very solid. It holds the volcano together. But when there's a lot of hot gases, acidic gases, we start to have rusty crusts around these rocks, and we're starting to make the rock more crumbly. And here we see another sample where the rusty outer edges are going into cracks and the rock becomes increasingly unstable. It starts to lose its strength and eventually it gets really sulfurous and crumbly. Here's a core of the material that was left, but you see the outer material flakes off very easily. And eventually the rock decays to just an aggregate like this that crumbles in your hands, and that means the volcano has lost much of its strength and coherence. And if this happens, then the magma inside the volcano that is under pressure is no longer held together. It starts to explode out, and this is something that happens without warning. It's not new magma coming up, as in many other volcanoes. It is that the volcano itself is no longer able to contain the magma, and that is a very dangerous situation. Here we have a new project funded by the European Research Council to better understand this process and hopefully be able to forecast when a volcano will have these as yet unpredictable eruptions.